Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the iPhone and the Garmin Connect application to send the notifications to our watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's scroll down to the list of applications. And on this list, find the Garmin Connect. Oh, it's called Connect. Okay, so let's tap on it. And here make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled and also check if the notifications are enabled. Allow notifications. It should be enabled. Okay, once you have the notifications and Bluetooth enabled, go back to settings, scroll all the way up, tap on Bluetooth. Here find the Enduro 2 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it and make sure that the share system notifications is enabled. Once you're done, you can close the settings and open the Garmin Connect application on the phone, or rather the iPhone that is paired with your watch. And here, tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, select your Enduro 2, and then select the option called Activities and Apps. No, my bad. Notifications and Alerts, my bad. It's right here, right below. And then tap on Smart Notifications. Okay, and here we can turn on and off the notifications by tapping on the switch. And then we can customize the notifications for the general use and during activity. General use is basically when you are using your watch and you're not tracking any activity. And during activity is basically when you're tracking the activity on your watch, something like cycling, running and stuff like that. So let's tap on general use first. And here we can turn on and off the notifications for the general use. Then we can tap on calls, and here we can customize the notifications for calls. So basically, if somebody is calling you on your iPhone, and you can turn them on or off, you can enable sound for them, or the tone, or disable it, or enable and disable the vibrations. Next we have the text, and basically we can do the same, enable it or disable it, enable the sound or disable the sound, enable the vibration or disable the vibration. Then we have apps, the same stuff, and then we have privacy, and here we can select press start and wrist gesture. I believe what it does is basically to view the notifications, you will need to perform some action like pressing the start button or a wrist gesture rather. And then the timeout is how quickly they will disappear from the screen once you receive them, and you can select one of the options, for example 1 minute. Okay, so that's for the general use. Next we can go back to the notifications, tap on during activity, and here we can do the same. Customize it for the activity tracking, and you can turn it on or off. Tap on calls, disable or enable it, disable or enable the sound and vibrations. And we can do for all the stuff, like that. But in the during activity option or mode, we don't have the privacy. As you can see, we have only timeout, so we can set the timeout, for example, for 1 minute. And once you're done customizing the notifications settings, at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself message on Discord, and hopefully we will receive it on the iPhone and the watch. So give me a second. And as you can see, we have it on our iPhone and also on our watch. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can always view them by opening the glances. So basically on the home screen, the current watch face, you can press the up or down button to open the glances, and here you can scroll through the list, find the notifications widget, press the start/stop, and this will open the notifications, and here you can check them, clear them, view them, read them, and stuff like that. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.